3 simple, easy-to-use men's grooming products for nighttime skin restoration. Use MÖNAJI's deep cleansing mask to remove dirt and debris for a healthy clean, either from the tube or our single-use travel pro packs. Apply with your fingers onto your freshly cleansed face. Evenly spread the white clay across your cheeks, forehead, and nose to create a thin layer. Feel the instant cooling effect as the rich organic botanicals absorb and deep clean your skin. Avoid the eye area. Relax for about 15 minutes or until the mask becomes dry. Rinse off the mask using warm water to reveal a refreshing and smooth look. Next, apply the anti-aging eraser under your eyes and smooth into your full face, cheeks, neck, and forehead. This green apple stem cell serum with multiple peptides increases collagen production to nourish your skin while you sleep. Finish by applying a coat of the lip balm agent to nourish your lips.